Some months ago I bought a Mankung XB58. It's a good, fast, extremely accurate budget crossbow made in Taiwan and sold all over the world under different names and brands. I made some videos about unboxing, tuning and modify it that you may find interesting. I let all the links in the description for your convenience. Now this is a compound crossbow, so I need a press to change the cables and the string, to tune the timing of the cams and to make all the usual maintenance it will need in the future. There are many good and some bad presses that you can buy on internet, but they are all quite expensive. The one that I want costs exactly $4.99, a ridiculous price. So I decided to take the best of them and make one by myself. In this video I will show you my DIY crossbow press. Let me add that this press can be used for any crossbow and even for bows with minimal modifications. This is the frame, made out of square pipes, welded together so that the two short arms can close or open as the smaller pipe slides into the bigger one. I used an Acme thread bar, salvaged from a broken car jack, to apply pressure to the bow. Moreover, I took a piece of flat iron, cut it at a 60-degree angle and welded it to make these 4 fingers. The 4 limbs of the crossbow will be pressed by them during the maintenance. Now let's see how the press works. Here you can see the crossbow in position, ready to be pressed. I added some thick leather pads to the fingers of the press to prevent the crossbow limbs from being scratched. The press is mounted on a sawhorse using a sturdy clamp. The small red painted steel bars you can see at the top of the fingers keep the limbs of the press in the correct position and avoid that they can slip. The contact between the limbs of the crossbow and the fingers of the press must be studied and designed with great attention, as they are probably the most critical items of the press. As you can see here, the string and the cables of the crossbow are losing tension as the press is closed. Now I can check, maintain, change or remove string and cables, and then even dismantle the limbs easily and securely. Using this press, the limbs of the crossbow are bent along their entire length, so that there is only the needed pressure to do the job. Be sure to have cables and string in the right position before you begin to release the pressure. All in all, my press works great. It is always a pleasure to shoot this crossbow. Be sure to check my other crossbow videos. If you want to support the channel, hit the subscribe button and give me a like for more contents. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, thank you for watching.